Hi everyone, Audi has recently announced a significant change in its vehicle naming strategy to simplify and bring clarity to its model lineup. The new system employs letters and numbers to indicate the vehicle's type and size. A denotes low-floor vehicles, while Q represents high-floor models, followed by a number from 1 to 8 indicating the vehicle's size or class. This approach replaces the previous, often confusing, two-digit power output representation. The upcoming Audi A6 will be the first model to adopt this new naming convention, with designations like A6 Avant TFSI or A6 Sedan E-tron. Existing models will retain their current names. In performance news, Audi has expanded its 2025 Q8 lineup with the introduction of the new RS Q8 performance model. This range-topping SUV boasts an impressive 631 horsepower, positioning it as the most powerful in its class. For enthusiasts of manual transmissions, there's an interesting tidbit: Audi continues to offer a new model equipped with a 5-speed manual gearbox. However, this model features a modest 94 horsepower engine, catering to those who appreciate traditional driving experiences. In motorsport developments, Audi has announced its entry into Formula One, scheduled for the 2026 season. The company plans to acquire Sauber Motorsport, rebranding it as the Audi F1 team, with engines developed by Audi Formula Racing GmbH. This move marks a significant expansion of Audi's commitment to high-level motorsport. On the electric vehicle front, Audi is gearing up to launch the Q6 e-tron, a battery-electric compact luxury crossover SUV. Production is set to commence in November 2023 at Audi's Ingolstadt plant. The Q6 e-tron shares its platform with the Porsche Macan and aligns with Audi's strategy to transition to a fully electric fleet by 2033. In a strategic move to strengthen its presence in the Chinese market, Audi has partnered with SAIC Motor to launch a new brand aimed at young, affluent consumers. This brand will introduce 3 fully electric vehicles over the next 3 years, with the first model expected by the end of 2025. Notably, while the vehicles will carry the Audi name, they will feature a distinct typography and omit the iconic 4 rings, signaling a fresh identity tailored for the Chinese market. In other news, Audi has decided not to participate in the 2025 Dakar Rally, concluding its 3-year project in the desert. Despite Carlos Sainz's victory in 2024, the company is shifting its focus and resources toward its upcoming Formula One debut in 2026. This strategic pivot underscores Audi's commitment to prioritizing its entry into Formula One. These developments highlight Audi's dynamic approach to innovation, performance, and strategic market positioning as it navigates the evolving automotive landscape.